What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw funds from Autosnipe.Ai. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So, let's get started. So how do we exactly withdraw our funds here from Autosnipe.ai? Well, first things first is we want to go to Autosnipe.ai here and log in into your account. Now, once in here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and basically access our balance. So usually at the top right, you should be able to see your current balance. Go ahead and click on it, and you should be able to see this UI here. So by default, it will redirect you to the deposit section here, but what we are looking for is going to be the withdraw option. So usually next to the deposit section or tab here, you have the withdraw. So in my case, it's a little bit bugged here, so withdraw is kind of hidden, but usually at the right side, you should be able to see it. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you should be able to see a few details, like for example, the wallet that your current funds will be transferred to. So you should be able to see your wallet here. Now, by the way, this wallet is the wallet that you've connected into the Autosnipe AI platform. So if you're using your Phantom wallet, this is your address. Now, if you want to compare that, you could go ahead and access your Phantom wallet first, copy this one, and just make sure that the address is correct. Now, from here, you want to also enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So the minimum for this one is 0.001. So in this case, the fee is going to be 0.001 as well. Now, also the priority fee here, you need to specify one, because this actually determines on the way or the likely like your transaction will be completed. So the higher your priority fee here, the more chances you get on getting this transaction done. So yeah, you can go ahead and click on withdraw once you've entered all the necessary details here, and from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.